Hey everybody, what's up? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and today guys, I'm here in town at Longmont, Colorado, and behind me is an abandoned location. It's called the Golden West Mill. It was previously a mill where people in town could bring like their corn and things like that and grain, take it here, sell it. It's been abandoned and unused since about the 1970s, I believe, right around there. There was a huge fire about 6 months ago that burnt down a huge side of it. They were going to make it into a mini beer craft place, but unfortunately I don't know what's going to happen with it now. But it's been here for a really long time. So I'll put a link or something up in the corner for you guys. You can check out my DJI film when I filmed it before, and that was before the fire. But I'm just gonna do some quick running around here, some quick freestyle. I have to be careful. There's a dude sitting right back there, probably homeless. So anyway, yeah, just thought something different. I hope you guys enjoy the footage.